2025 BMW 1 Series. We've got can immobilisation with gearbox lock. So engine running at the moment. We'll select the gear, forwards, backwards, there we go. So system automatically arms once you turn the ignition off and you open the driver's door, which is acknowledged by a flash of the main beam warning light. There we go, a couple of flashes there. So we're back in the car, start the car. We're not going to enter the PIN code, we're just going to start the car. So let's just start the car. Let's go down here and select a gear. Okay, you'll see now it's not letting us select the gear, forwards or backwards, not letting us select the gear. So we need to put the PIN code in. So you can use multiple buttons on this car, depending what the what the customer desires. Up to 20 button pushes. You'll be here for a while disarming you immobilise if you use 20, but so we've used 4 on this one. So if we press our 4 particular buttons, if you watch the main beam warning light, there you go, you get a flash there. So now if we go to select the gear again, there we go, forward gear, reverse gear, that's all fine. So now the system is deactivated, we can drive the car. And auto arming is as soon as you open the driver's door with ignition off. A couple of flashes there, the system's armed. Service mode is a manual operation, so you put it in service mode with a code and you take it out of service mode with a code, so it's not speed or time dependent. You need to physically put it in and out of service mode. So it's nice and secure, nice and safe, nice and easy to operate, keeping this BMW 1 Series secure. Give us a call if you need more information.